What if the rules didn't just protect the asset? They were the asset? Every blockchain platform today puts smart contracts next to the asset. We put the governance inside it. Right now, smart contracts have a fundamental flaw. The contract lives on the blockchain, separate from the asset it governs. When that asset transfers, the contract stays behind. If the contract gets deleted or changed, the asset loses its rules entirely. There's no jurisdictional awareness. A smart contract doesn't know if it's enforcing rules in Utah or Germany. And there's no hierarchy. Federal law can't cascade down to state rules, and state rules can't cascade to city rules. Everything is flat. We built something fundamentally different. We call them embedded governance contracts. Think of it as the next generation of smart contracts, but constitutional. Instead of a separate piece of code referencing the asset, the governance rules live inside the asset itself. Every digital registered asset carries its own parameter protocol. That's the living constitution embedded in the asset's digital DNA. When the asset transfers from seller to buyer, the rules transfer with it. No external reference needed. The asset is self-governing. Every asset carries governance in 3 layers. Layer 1, the creator protocol, set when the asset is first registered. These rules are immutable. Only the original creator authority can modify them. Think of it as the founding charter. Layer 2, the owner protocol, updated when ownership changes. The new owner inherits the creator rules as a floor and can add additional restrictions, but can never weaken the original rules. Layer 3, the DSL string, a compact, machine-readable encoding of the asset's governance scope. The computer reads this to know exactly which jurisdiction governs, what asset class rules apply, and what compliance gates must pass. Here's where it gets powerful. Every asset is connected to a governance hierarchy through what we call the over-under protocol. A house in Salt Lake City is simultaneously governed by city rules, county rules, state rules, and federal rules. The most restrictive rule always wins. And when federal law changes, every asset in every state auto-inherits the update overnight. No redeployment. No reconsent. It's a living constitution. This is impossible with traditional smart contracts. You'd have to manually redeploy every single contract on the chain. Let's walk through it. A buyer wants to purchase a house. The system checks the creator protocol. Transfer requires a notarized deed and KYC verification. It checks the owner protocol. Property tax lien must be clear. It checks all jurisdiction rules from city up to federal. It verifies KYC, sanctions screening, and lien status. If any single gate fails, the transaction is blocked, not punished after the fact. Blocked. The violation is logged, and settlement never reaches the chain. If every gate passes, settlement executes instantly through RLUSD on XRPL. The asset transfers to the buyer with all governance rules intact. The tokenized asset market has crossed $26 billion, and not a single platform has governance embedded at the asset level. They're all building distribution layers without the plumbing. We are that plumbing. Embedded governance contracts. The infrastructure the entire industry is missing. ToolboxLogic.